Welcome back to CodeChef. Imagine you're checking if two conditions are true at the same time. Like, did I finish my homework? And is it before 10 p.m.? That's where logical operators come in. They help Java combine multiple conditions into one decision. Think of logical operators like switches. The AND operator is like two switches controlling one light. Both must be on for the light to glow. The OR operator is like two doors. If at least one is open, you can pass through. The NOT operator is like flipping a yes into a no, or a no into a yes. In Java, logical operators are used to combine or invert Boolean values. There are three: double ampersand, AND, which is true if both conditions are true; double pipe, OR, which is true if at least one condition is true; exclamation mark, NOT, which reverses the value. True becomes false, and false becomes true. Let's see an example. We declare an integer age equal to 18 and a Boolean has ticket equal to true. Now we check. Age greater than or equal to 18 and has ticket. Both are true, so the result is true. Age greater than or equal to 21 or has ticket. Age is not enough, but has ticket is true, so the result is true. Has ticket flips true to false. A few quick tips. Use and when both conditions must be true. Use OR when only one condition is enough. Use NOT when you need the opposite of a condition. Logical operators are especially powerful in if statements and loops. Now it's your turn. Try the CodeChef problem Admission Eligibility, where you'll check if a student passes based on marks or sports quota. Today you learned that logical operators help combine or invert conditions. And, OR, and NOT return true or false. And they're the backbone of decision-making in Java. Code, debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.